Hi, I'm Robin Richard, and I'm here to take you through the aspect of mathematics which involves addition of decimal fractions. The aspect of mathematics which involves addition of decimal fractions. Most people will find it difficult when they are adding two or more decimal fractions, and here I am here to give you a gist about how to add decimal fractions. Remember, when we say a decimal fraction, we are just referring to numbers with decimal point in them. Are you with me? So, with decimal fractions, let's take it for instance. So, this is an example of a decimal fraction. So, 26.074. Please, we do not say 26.74. No, we say 26.074. So this is an example of a decimal fraction. Remember, a decimal fraction has the whole part, it has a whole number and the decimal part. So this becomes the decimal number or the decimal point. So this becomes the decimal point, and because of this decimal point, that is why what we have here is a decimal fraction. I would mean very good. Now let's see how to add decimal fractions. Let's see how to add decimal fractions. All right. So quickly, let's take some examples. Number one. Number one, assuming I've been asked to add this to this, I should add it. We see how to go about it. Let's take number two. All right. And then the last one. Okay, so let's see how to go about with the first one, and with the explanation I will give, I believe you will get it right. Good. So let's start with number one, how to solve the question number one. So let's say solution, then after we continue. Very good. So let's continue with question number one. When we are asked to add 26.074 to 3.68, that's how to do it. You can choose to bring this one to the top, or you can choose to bring this one to the top. Depends on where you want to start with. Are you getting me? All right. But before that, have it in mind that anytime that you are asked to add any two decimal fraction in the first place, what it should come into your mind is you have to make sure that the decimal places are the same. Now, when we say decimal places, we are referring to the number of digits behind the decimal point. Are you with me? All right, so let's consider this. The decimal places, we are referring to the number of digits behind the decimal point. So here, after the decimal points, I have 1, 2, 3. Here is 3. Then here too, after the decimal point, I have 1, 2. So it means here is 2 and here is what? 3. Meaning I have to make sure that if here is 3 digits, here 2 should be what? 3 digits. Are you with me? And the question is, what are we going to do? So watch here and let's see what will happen here. So I have 26.074 plus 3.68. Now I told you that here, because the decimal places are only 3. Over here is 2. So we have to make sure that if here is 3, here 2 becomes what? 3. Are you getting me? So in doing so, we are supposed to add a certain value to this, and that value should be 0 and not any other number out. So we are going to add 0 to this, so that here becomes 3.680. Are you with me? Very good. Alright. Now this does not change the value. Okay? It doesn't change any value. It is still as it is. Alright. So now we can easily arrange and then add it. So arranging it, I can decide to bring this one up or this one up. Okay. So let's start with this one first. So I have 26.074. Then I'll write this one under it. But before this one comes under it, I have to make sure that the decimal point be in line. So the decimal point will be in line as we have here. And then 9680. You see, it is following. This one follows this. This one also follows this. This one also follows that. Are you with me? Very good. Then when we come to this, there is a number 3 here, and that 3 should come here as well. We introduce our addition sign, then we add. Are you okay? Very good. So now we can easily add. So 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, we are getting 4. Then 7 plus 8, we are getting what? 15. So I write 5, the remainder of what? 1. So remainder 1. So I'll add the remainder 1 to the 0, and I'll add it to the distance. I'm going to get what? 7. Then my decimal point will come. Then over here I'll add my 6 to the 3. I'm going to get 9. Then here 2 to nothing. I'm going to get what? So this then becomes our answer. I believe it is clear. Very good. So this is what we are going to get. Or, in other words, or alternatively, so this is what we are going to get. I believe you understand. Or alternatively, you can, after making sure the decimal places are the same, by adding 0 to this and this one, 3, this one now becomes 3. You can decide to bring this one also to the top. So I have 3.680. In doing so, bringing this one to the down, my decimal point will follow. Always the decimal point needs to follow. So here I have 0, I have 7, and then I have 4. Then my 6 will come, followed by the 2. So that's it. Everything will move on smoothly. I believe we are good with that. Very good. So let's continue. So now we add it, we are getting 4. We add it up. We add it up, we are getting 15. Remember, 1 here becomes 7. Here becomes decimal point. Here becomes what? 9. Here becomes 2. So you see we are getting the same answers. We are getting the same answers. I believe it is clear. Very good. So that is what we have for number 1. Have it in mind that whichever way we go about it, it will be, we will get the same answer. And I said something that for the thing to be easy for you, always make sure that the decimal places are the same. And when I say decimal place, I'm referring to the number of digits behind the decimal point. This is 1, 2, 3. It is 3. This is 1, 2. It is 2. So you have to make sure that if here is 3, here 2 becomes what? 3. That is why we added 0 to this. I believe it is clear. Alright. So quickly, I believe you can try your hands on the rest too. Right. So try your hands on this one also. And please, when you are doing it, you make sure the decimal places are the same. Alright. I believe you can do it. So try your hands on it and share your result in the comment section. Then we discuss it. Have a wonderful day. This is your math teacher, Richard Oben. I'm here to help you through your mathematical problem. Whichever problem that you have, if you have further question, please ask in the comment section, then we will discuss it afterwards. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.